Hi, my name is Alay Patel, and in this demo, I am going to talk about Crane 2.0 abstract command. Crane 2.0 is an effort to compose a toolkit for users to backup and restore the applications deployed on Kubernetes for data protection or migration purposes. In this journey, it also opens the door for users to adopt GitOps practices if they so wish. At a very high level, the export subcommand dumps all the resources that user has certain access to on a local directory. As you can see, I am logged into the OpenShift cluster with a non-admin user, and I have access to the MS SQL persistent namespace where I have deployed MS SQL application that has created a bunch of resources in the namespace. The export subcommand takes the namespace or kube context as an input, along with the directory where YAMLs are to be exported. Now, let's run the export command. The export command internally talks to the discovery API of the kube cluster and lists all the available APIs. Out of those APIs, it then tries to filter out the APIs that are not namespaced or don't have list, get, create, or delete verbs implemented on them. It then lists all the objects for a particular API, looping over all the APIs. For some reason, if a list call on some API fails, it records the errors and moves on to the next API. After it is done, it has a list of resources that were extracted along with some error messages. As you can see, the export directory is hence made of two subfolders, resources and failures. The resources directory contains all the YAMLs that were extracted and is separated by namespace. Similarly, the failure directories has all the collected failures. As you can see, one of the most common failures is if the user does not have permission to list an API in this particular namespace. Other failures can be expected in this failure directory as well. This is how you can get a dump of kube resources in a namespace. Please reach out to us in the Conveyor community for any questions or further information on other Crane features like transform or migration of state. Thank you.